My wife went to Lagos to bring my daughter. They landed at the Air Force Base. I was waiting. I said, okay, let me go to the Air Force Base. So when they land, I just enter the plane and go to Lagos. 15 minutes of takeoff. I went with Olaka Wobu and Marcus village. 3 of us. And somebody was waiting for me in Lagos. I must see it that night. 15 minutes of takeoff. What do we have? Boom! The air hostess was running. I said, what is the problem? She said, there's problem, there's problem. I said, what is the problem? She now ran back and came back to us. One engine is gone. And the pilot said, look, it's safer for us to turn back because it's still far going to Lagos. So can I come back to Port Harcourt? We are looking at each other. And the last thing Alaka said that day, hey, I've not told my wife anything. But the fear of God, we landed safely. I never even told my parents.